Welcome to Astronomical Matters. We're here to talk about the states of matter and how crucial they are in understanding space.
Hi, I'm here for my interview with NASA.
Good. Looks like you're here for the Aerospace Engineering program.
To qualify, you just need to answer some questions for us. We'll start easy. What are the states of matter?
I'm not exactly sure about that. Do I really need to know about it?
Of course you do. States of matter are so important for space. Let's explain why.
All matter can be found as solids, liquids, gases, and plasma. Solids have a specific volume and shape because the particles are close together and slightly vibrating. Liquids have a definite volume but no specific shape because its particles are flowing past each other and aren't as close together. Gases, however, have no definite volume or shape since its particles are moving very fast and freely. Plasma is different because it's ionized gas, meaning it has gas-like properties, but it's made up of ions and free electrons. These states of matter make up just about everything in the known universe. Comets and rocks are solids, planets like Jupiter and Saturn are gas planets, plasma can be found in stars, and liquids, although they are very rare outside of Earth, it is still possible they exist on moons and other planets.
One phenomena showing states of matter is the formation of stars. A lot of dust and gas bundle up into areas between stars called an interstellar medium. Inside this interstellar medium, there's a molecular cloud filled with dust and gas. Soon all this dust and gas are sent inwards to the middle of the cloud due to gravity and are rotating for millions of years. The rotating gets faster and faster, bringing in all the leftover dust and gas inwards, creating a protostar. When hot enough, helium and energy forms inside. Plasma is also formed during the process. After millions of years, the leftover gas and dust is blown away, finally creating a star. In some cases, such as our own sun, the blown away gas and dust could form planets.
I know what a nebula is. A nebula is an enormous cloud of dust and gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. As these gases occupy the space between stars, they act as a nursery for newborn stars. The dust and gases in a nebula are very spread out, but gravity can slowly begin to pull together clumps of dust and gas. As these clumps get bigger and bigger, the gravity gets stronger and stronger, and this phenomenon gives birth to stars. Some nebulae are bright enough to be seen with the naked eye. The Orion Nebula is one of these and is located between the stars in the constellation of Orion's Sword. Visibility of nebulae depend upon how many stars are around them to illuminate the dust clouds that form the nebulae.
Finally, there's galactic recycling.
Can a galaxy recycle itself? It's a great question that's now been validated by the Hubble Space Telescope. Recent observations have shown how galaxies are able to recycle huge amounts of hydrogen gas and heavy elements within themselves. The heavy gases collapse due to gravity to form stars. When massive stars form, they quickly impact the surrounding areas by intense radiation and mass loss. This gives the galaxy heavy elements that are forged inside the massive stars, and this becomes the raw material for future star and planet formation.
Well, now that you know a lot about space, let's talk about being an aerospace engineer. Aerospace engineering is the primary field of engineering concerned with the design, development, testing, and production of aircraft, spacecraft, and related systems and equipment. It has two major and overlapping branches: aeronautical engineering and astronautical engineering. Aerospace engineers design, test, and manage the production of aircraft, spacecraft, satellites, and missiles, basically aviation-related objects. They test prototypes to make sure they work properly and produce new technologies to be used in space exploration, aviation, and defense systems. To become an aerospace engineer, you must be educated in chemistry, physics, advanced math, and computer programming and computer languages. You must also have a bachelor's degree in engineering.
Thanks for telling me all this cool stuff about space.
No problem. Also, make sure to come back here when you know all about space. It's really interesting. Not only can you learn about galactic recycling, nebulas, high-paying jobs, and other cool stuff, but you can also improve life as we know it with all the information.
You know, scientists don't know everything about the sun, so you could even study it, learn more about it, and one day improve lives with better solar technology.
Houston, we're signing off. Thanks for watching Astronomical Matters.